That secretary is your very best friend. Like, that's one thing you got to keep in your mind is like, she is blocking the dude that you need to talk to. And so she's your gateway into that. And you need to realize that the way you word things is going to determine if you talk to that dude or not. If you make a secretary feel important and like they are the only ones that can get you to where you need to go, the chances of you talking to that dude are like 95%. And you need to realize that the way you word things is going to determine if you talk to that dude or not.
Research
who you're going into, figure out who you need to talk to.
What their problem is.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And then freaking go in and talk to him. Don't just walk in, hi, my name's Jake. And then just like, oh, well, nice to meet you, Jake. What can I do for you? Looking for a job? Looking for a subcontractor spot? I don't know, see you. And then just walk away, Free.
Yeah.
Just like pay attention, just be considerate of people.